What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming by. I want to do a real quick follow-up video. I told you guys I was becoming a plumber, which I did. I had became a plumber and it failed miserably. My back could not take it. I snapped my back all the way up. My back was like, it was over. I couldn't pick up my son for like a couple days, man. I was like, man, it was over. So yeah, so I stopped doing that because I was like, I can't be messing up my body because I'm trying to lift. I'm trying to look good in these fits, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be able to like be hooping with my son and stuff and be real active like late in my 40s and 50s. I'm not trying to be broken. And it was my third time hurting myself from plumbing, so I was like, it's just not worth it. I could just hurt my brain, you know, and just be stressed out, you know, mentally instead of being like all torn up physically. So yeah, so we're rolling with IT. That's gonna be the move. Got hired out of school. I don't have a degree, so it's pretty funny that they're hiring me out of school, place where college students go. But yeah, I have a pretty good experience too. I had great references. So yeah, we're gonna see. I'm pretty rusty as far as coding and stuff goes because I was going to try to build websites and be a web developer. I started the Odin project, but I didn't finish it, so I'm going to have to restart that all the way back over. I also have an HTML and CSS book that I'm going to get into. I'm going to create a portfolio and start working on some projects. Probably we'll link those inside my bio. Might even do some projects with you guys if I'm that good. We will see. Very low expectations because I'm not like, my career is not the best. All I did was some tech support. That was it. So this is a big jump. This is a giant jump. I have all the tools needed. I got the Odin project already downloaded. I already got everything already lined up. I just gotta get warmed up with this new job and stuff. And then I already have an HTML and CSS book, so I'll be working on that. Also, my buddy gave me, you know, shout out to Shane if he ever sees this, an Angular book. You know, a book on Angular framework. Because coding, all software that is coded has to be within a framework, I guess, for it to work smoothly. Hopefully I can, you know, discuss that be informed enough to the point to where I can talk about that with confidence in a room full of people that do that for a living, and they'll be like, wow, this guy knows what he's talking about. You know, that'd be nice. That'd be nice. So that's the goal. It's just gonna do one step at a time. Just do baby steps. I'll probably give you guys an update on the Odin project once that starts. I just need to see what I need to learn for this new job and just focus on that because it starts on Monday. Super geeked, super excited. I do miss plumbing. You know, shout out to all my plumbers, man. I do miss plumbing. Plumbing was enjoyable. Money can be real good. You know, getting your master plumber's license is one of the best things ever, and a lot of those guys own their own business anyway. I'm just trying to figure out ways of how I can get me enough money and have a rewarding career with the least amount of student debt, and with the possibility of me having side income even for a business or just whatever my profession is, have a business do that. So we'll see. It's tough. It's really, really tough. It takes a lot of money. It's gonna take a lot of footwork. But yeah, let's see. That's gonna suck. But not doing it or not trying is also gonna suck. So I'll definitely take you guys with me. You know, and this channel is pretty much just about, you know, the stuff I'm learning. And to be honest with you, all I'm trying to do is just to be healthy. That's why I named it like Healthy Don't Hurt, because like you want to be healthy. You want to be mentally healthy, spiritually healthy. You want to feel good. You want to have good relationships. You want to laugh. You want to smile more. You want to dress better. You want to feel better. You know, you don't want to, you just, that's what, like, ideally, that's what most people want. It's not easy. And sometimes when information or experiences are shared, you know, you can use that and increase your quality of life. So I think that's what it's all about. Hopefully this helps, you know, and please, I might just show you something that's funny. Who knows? My videos are kind of all over the place. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. I think one of the best things a person can help you with is money, credit, investing, which you know, I'll try to, you know, I'll take whatever I try, I'll show you, you know, pretty much. But I wouldn't recommend, I'll tell you if I recommend something, but I'm not gonna, like, I'll do product reviews, but as far as financial advice, probably not gonna be it, you know. But yeah, I'll take you guys with me. We're doing IT. That's what we're looking at. Once I get all my links and stuff situated and, you know, everything, I'll have that in the bio or whatever. I hope you guys have a good day. This is a big step. It's a positive step. Man, it's live, baby. It's live. We got 2 weeks left of this year. I hope y'all pressing, and I hope everybody's doing good. Life could be rough. This COVID stuff put people, a lot of people through a lot of stuff, man, and forced change too. Change. A lot of people have been stiff. I mean, including me, being included. Lots of people been stiff. Don't be stiff out here, man. Don't be stiff. You know what I'm saying? Stay flexible. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta be out here. Well, you gotta be ready. You gotta be ready. 2022. You gotta be ready. You know, don't let it happen to you. Happen to it. I hope you have a good day. We got 5 weeks left. Peace.